Very last question here is around for the people who has no experience, career start. I get most all this question all the time also, hey, how do we start? Even I have people reaching out with bachelor's and master's degree. And the only thing they're, hey, we do not have experience. How someone can build the experience, and starting or breaking into the field of sort of cloud engineer.
Yeah. I mean, I think that's, that when you're right at the beginning of your career, excuse me, when you're right at the beginning of your career and you're fresh out of college, right? That's kind of a challenge that a lot of people, deal with. We're all made for that, right?
Yep.
We're all fresh graduates at some point of life, and then we kind of make it through. But again, and this one, again, this is not one thing that has a silver bullet or a formula. It's different for different people, right? But I think what I can leave you with, or leave those people with, is some guiding principles, right? I would say learn and be curious. Always learn and be curious. It's one of our leadership principles at Amazon, right? Be have that hunger to learn about things, right? Keep abreast of what's happening in the industry, right? And he's follow a passion, right? Even straight out of college, yes, you have this opportunity to kind of look at the technology landscape, which is very vast, right? And then you can choose the things that you're interested in, right? For some people, it's robotics, right? For some people, it might be machine learning, and data and analytics, and going in that direction. For some other people, it might be more like they want to get into security, right? And governance and those kind of things. So whatever your passion is, go deep in that. Start, have that innate curiosity to learn about this, right? And that's the first step, right? When you have that, you're actually feeding yourself with the knowledge. You're learning new things. You're trying out things, right? And at the same time, you're looking for that, for those positions or those learning opportunities that will help you further towards that, right? So once you set yourself on that journey, and when you land yourself in those entry level jobs where you're actually getting closer towards your target, you'll actually, start, getting a wider picture of what the horizon looks like. And then you might choose to continue in the same direction, or you might actually go in some of the branches of the depths of that area, and then you start specializing. But yeah, I think the key thing to have is that quest for knowledge, so to speak, being curious about what's happening around you, and around the industry, and especially in the areas that you're interested in. I think it's also important, having an overall understanding of many things is good, but I think you can't be an expert on everything. And that's the earlier you realize that, the better too, right? Have a good understanding of most things, but choose to go deep in a few areas, right? That's the way you get really good at something, and you can actually progress.
Yeah.